good morning, everyone. Yes, good morning, students. So today we'll start with the physics first chapter, that is electricity. Okay. So yes, Vijay, the electricity, that is your chapter 12 in CBSE notebook. So electricity, firstly, electricity has an important place in modern society. As you know, nowadays electricity is an important one. Okay, and it is very a convenient form of energy. So basically हम क्या करेंगे, basically that will be used in homes, schools, hospital, industries and so on. So there are many applications over there. So first of all, the question arises, what is electricity? Okay, firstly, what is electricity? What is the name suggest? What is the meaning of that name? So firstly, what is the electricity? That is the meaning is flow of charges. So flow of charges. So now, what are the flow of charges? So basically, which charge will be used in the electricity? That charge will be electrons. That will be your electrons. So now, why the name suggests as a electricity? That is why there will be a flow of electrons. हम ऐसे ही क्यों कहेंगे कि electricity जो है वो flow of electrons से बने हुए हैं? ठीक है. Firstly, we'll have to know what is charge is there, what is electricity is there. Okay, so before stating electricity, we'll first understand what is charge. Okay, so charge is basically made up of atom. You all know what is atom is. As there will be a smallest particle, okay, it is known as an atom, and inside the atom there will be a nucleus. There will be a nucleus. Okay, so is there a nucleus, and inside the nucleus there will be protons, that is having a positive charge, and neutrons having net no charge or net zero charge will be there. Okay, so and around the nucleus there will be an orbit, and in this orbit there will be a electrons over there. These will be electrons, and it is a negatively charged particles. Okay, so basically we will tell about that these are their fundamental particles. These are the fundamental particles. So basically three fundamental particles are there. First is your electrons. Second is your protons. And third is your neutrons. Okay. And you also know that is electrons is of negative charge, protons are of positive charge, and neutrons having net zero charge or net no charge. Okay, so now these are the fundamental particles. So what is electricity now? Electricity is flow of charges. Okay, that is the flow of electrons, and there will be a charge over there, and charge is made up of atom, and in atom there will be a nucleus over there. Inside the nucleus there will be two particles. Which particles are there? That is protons and neutrons. And after that, in the orbit there will be a electrons over there. Orbit में क्या revolve होता है? That is electrons जो है वो चीज revolve होती है. Okay, so now the question arises why there will be name as, why there is a name as a electricity, not proticity, or you will also say that why there will be not a neutricity, because they are also like a charges. If electrons are the charges, then there will be a protons over there, neutrons over there. These are also a type of charges. So हम ऐसे क्यों नहीं कहते कि इस चैप्टर का नेम proticity और neutricity क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए? Why? Because there will be a flow of. Okay, the word is flow. So what is the basic meaning of flow? Flow means in motion. So it means in motion. So why? So that nucleus always binds the protons and neutrons. It will bind. There will be some nuclear energy over there. In this nucleus there will be a nuclear energy over there. This energy binds protons and neutrons. वो energy क्या करती है बच्चे? वो protons और neutrons को bind करके रखती है. That's why protons and neutrons are in their rest state. They both are in rest state. That is, both are in static. वो move नहीं करेंगे. So only move with we have only one fundamental particles which are in motion, that are electrons, and that's why the meaning is flow of electrons. Okay, so that's why the chapter's name, that is the electricity. This is the basic reason. ये एक reason है जिसके कारण हम electricity बोलते हैं उसको. That means flow of electrons. Okay, so now as a chapter say, we are familiar with the air current, current water. We know that flowing water constitute water current in rivers. Similarly, if the electric charge flows through a conductor, for example, through a metallic wire, अगर एक wire से चार्ज फ्लो कर रहा है, डेट मीन्स द फ्लो, उसमें अगर चार्ज फ्लो कर रहा है तो हम फिजिक्स के अकॉर्डिंग उसको क्या बोलेंगे कि वो चीज एक इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो है वो मोशन में चल रहे हैं, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो है वो फ्लो कर रहे हैं. ओके, व्हाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल बी फ्लो? बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैव इन द ऑर्बिट, ओके, अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस देयर विल बी अ ऑर्बिट. सो इलेक्ट्रॉन जो भी है वो ऑर्बिट में होते हैं, दैट्स व्हाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ही इन तीनों पार्टिकल्स में से मूव करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी विल से दैट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर इन मोशन. ओके, now it will constitute, that is the charges will constitute a current. Okay, so what is basically a current? Current is the rate of change of charges. Okay, basically rate of flow of charges, kitne charges move kiye hain kitne time mein, that is the basic current. Okay, so now there will be a switch over there. Okay, so this is the that is the some information about the charges and the electric circuit. Okay, so firstly we'll know about what is electricity is there. Okay, what is the meaning of the electricity, why the term called electricity, not proticity or neutricity. Okay, why, what is the charge over there, what is charge is made up of atom, what is inside the atoms will be there, that is the fundamental particles. Three main fundamental particles are there. Okay, so now this is the basic information about that. Now we'll move it to next slide. So here there will be a current. Okay, so before studying current, we'll also know about the charge. So charge is also of two types, that is first is of positive charge and another is of negative charge. So as you know, what is the positive charge? Positive means you will also say that as the loss of electrons. So, अगर electrons का loss होगा means negative charge का कम होना, that's the positive charge. Or what is the negative charge? We will say that gain of electrons. Why? Because electrons are the negatively charged particles. So अगर electron जो negative है उसका बढ़ना, that means the negative charge. Okay, so there will be a one property over there. Which property is there of a charge? You will state the properties of the charge. What is the property? What is the very first property of the charge? It is the very first property of a charge is, it is that like charges, the like charges always repel each other, always repel each other, whereas unlike charges always attract each other. This is the very first property of a charge. Like charges means, the like charges means both the charges are of same nature. That means positive and negative. Whenever there will be a charges are like, that means अगर वो similar होंगे charges, तो both charges वो क्या करेंगे, वो repel करेंगे, वो दूर और दूर चले जाएंगे. ठीक है, दोनों charges क्या करेंगे, वो दूर जाएंगे. That means वो repel करेंगे. And when the charges are unlike, that means one is of positive nature and other is of negative nature. They always attract towards each other. वो क्या करेंगे, हमेशा attract करेंगे, दोनों एक दूसरे की तरफ आएंगे, contact में आएंगे. Okay, so that is the very first property of the charge. Okay, so that means it will create the force of attraction. It will create the force of attraction or repulsion. Okay, so it will create force of attraction or repulsion. Okay, so what is the basic meaning, or what is the basic term while we using the force of attraction or repulsion? That is some property. That property's name is intrinsic property. That is the intrinsic property. What is the basic meaning of the intrinsic property? That is the internal property. That is the internal thing that charges have. So charges में basically क्या है, intrinsic property होती है. क्या intrinsic property है? That property, that means कि उसमें force attraction की भी हो सकती है. Whenever there will be attraction तब होगी जब दोनों dissimilar charges होंगे, different होंगे. That is unlike charges. तब क्या होगी, उसमें attraction होगी. And whenever there will be a similar charges, that is like charges, they always repel each other. That is the intrinsic property. while we'll say कि अगर मैं कहूँ कि मेरी इंट्रिंसिक प्रॉपर्टी क्या है, अगर आई एम अ टीचर, सो दैट मींस द माय इंट्रिंसिक प्रॉपर्टी इज टीचिंग. तो बेसिकली मैं कह रहा है, बेसिकली क्या है कि वो टीचिंग क्या है, मेरी इंट्रिंसिक प्रॉपर्टी है, मेरी इंटरनल प्रॉपर्टी है, दैट इज द इंट्रिंसिक प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, सो नाउ there will be a current over there. Okay, so before stating this, now we'll start with the electric current. So what is basically current? Current क्या होता है? So which current is basically the flow of rate of flow of charges. Okay, so here there will be a current, that is a basic formula of current, that is I is equal to Q over T. Okay, so now this is the basic expression of the current. So as we'll start with the current, you will also know what are the SI units of charge. Okay, you know about what are the charges over there, what are the SI units of the charge. Okay, so firstly we'll start with the next slide, because we'll starting the current. So हम अब पढ़ेंगे बेसिकली करंट होता क्या है. सो करंट क्या है देखना मुझे. करंट इज बेसिकली द रेट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ charges. So what is the basic meaning of rate of? Whenever there will be a word rate of, अगर कभी भी word आता है rate of, that means, and you know current is denoted with I, capital I or small I. Okay, so I is equal to, whenever there will be a word rate of, अगर जब भी word आ गया rate of, that means उसको आपने किसके साथ divide करना है, T के साथ, that is you'll always divide with the time. So किसको divide करोगे, flow of charges, flow of charges, that will be represented with Q. So Q is your charge, T is your time, and I is your current. Okay, so that is the expression, or that is the definition of the current, that is the rate of flow of charges. Okay, now what are the SI units of the charge? What are the SI unit of charge? अभी हमने पढ़ा charge. So SI unit उसका क्या होगा? So SI unit of charge is coulomb. It is always coulomb, or it will be represented with capital C. अगर आपने ऐसे यूनिट फॉर्म करना है तो वो क्या करेंगे, हम स्मॉल सी के साथ लिखेंगे, COULOMB, एंड अगर इसका रिप्रेजेंटेशन बतानी है तो वो कैपिटल सी के साथ चलेंगे. ओके, देयर विल बी अदर यूनिट्स आल्सो. ऐसे यूनिट तो चार्ज का हो गया कूलम. सो अदर यूनिट्स आर 1 mc, that means the millicoulomb, that becomes 10 raised to power minus 3 coulomb. There will be a 1 microcoulomb. This U represents your micro, that micro means 10 raised to power minus 6 coulomb. These are the some other units of the charge. Okay, so now जैसे हमने चार्ज का SI यूनिट किया, वैसे हम करंट का भी SI यूनिट होगा कुछ. So what is the basic SI unit of the current? So SI unit of current is ampere. It is ampere denoted with capital A. Okay, and the device used to measure the current, and the device that is measured current, जो करंट को मेजर करे, that device will be known as ammeter. And it is always connected in series. बच्चे सर्किट में हमेशा क्या होगा, ये always series में connect होगी. Okay, so there will be some information about the charges over there and the current, how current will make from the charges. कैसे flow, एक charge का flow चल के, electrons का flow चल के एक current बना. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so now that is the slide, that is second. So here will be your expression, that is I is equal to Q over T. Okay, so this is a term. So now there will be a current. So as you know, what is the basic value of one charge, one electron? So what is the value of one electron? That is the minus, as you know, electron is negative charge, so minus 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, that is the value of the charge. Okay, so now 1p, that is proton, you know, that is the positive charge. The value of proton and electron is always same. Okay, the charge will be different. Electrons is a negatively charged, proton is a positively charged, but the value remains same, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, as you know, coulomb is the SI unit of the charge. Okay, these are the term values. Now there will be a term, that is quantization of charge. Quantization of charge. So what is the basic? That is also the property of a charge, that charge is always quantized nature. Charge is always in a quantized nature, quantized form में होगा charge. What is the basic meaning of quantization? Quantization means that is the integral. It is an integral multiple of charge. Integral multiple of charge. What is integral multiple? That is full fledged value आएगी. कभी भी चार्ज जो है वो ये नहीं आएगा चार्ज एक इलेक्ट्रॉन हो सकते हैं, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो सकते हैं, 3, 4, 5 सो ऑन टू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो सकते हैं, बट कभी भी वो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स 1.5, 0.8 वो कभी नहीं होंगे. दैट मींस अगर दिस इज योर वायर, दिस इज योर कंडक्टर, लेट अस सपोज दिस इज योर कंडक्टर और वायर, अगर इसमें एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो आप नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्या करेंगे और आप चार्ज को क्या बोलेंगे, क्यू किसके इक्वल है, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन के, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन. अगर यहाँ एक इलेक्ट्रॉन की जगह एक और इलेक्ट्रॉन होता तो हम क्या कहते हैं, there will be a 2 electrons over there. अगर इसमें एक और इलेक्ट्रॉन होता तो हम क्या कहते हैं, there will be a not 2, there will be a 3 electrons over there. और अगर मैं कहूँ कि so on to n number of electrons हैं तो हम क्या कहते हैं, q is equal to ne, और there will be a plus minus charge, either it is positive or either it is a negative. So this expression is your quantization. This is your quantization of charge. That is, there will be a n number of electrons over there. So charges are always, charge जो है quantization हमेशा क्या होगा, एक full fledged value होगी. That is 1 electron is a quantization, 3 electron is a quantized nature. So ये quantized होंगे. Whenever there will be a 0.9 electron, 8.7 electron, they will not be a quantized nature. ये quantized nature के नहीं होंगे. Okay, so that is the basic meaning of the quantization. Now, coming to a second slide, we'll now read out if a net charge Q across a cross section of a conductor in time t, the current is I is equal to q over t. Now you know I, that is current, is the rate of flow of charges, that is q over t. Now the SI unit of electric charge is coulomb, which is equivalent to the charge contained in really 6 into 10 to the power electrons. How will you convert this form? We'll discuss further. Okay. So now the electric current is expressed in a unit is ampere. Okay. So as you know, the SI unit of the current is ampere. Okay. So as is come from a French scientist, that is Andre Marie Ampere. Okay. So 1 ampere is constituted. अगर हमने 1 ampere की बात करनी है तो वो कैसे करेंगे? That is, if there will be a current. Okay. This is your formula. So current, whenever the current is 1 ampere, so current is 1 ampere when the charge कब होगा, तब चार्ज की वैल्यू क्या होगी, that is 1 coulomb, and time कितना होगा, 1 seconds. So you always everything you will convert it into a SI unit. So charge का SI unit क्या होता है, coulomb होता है, टाइम का seconds होता है, करंट का 1 ampere. So करंट 1 ampere तब होगा जब चार्ज की वैल्यू क्या होगी, whenever the charge is of 1 coulomb and time is of 1 second, that is equal to a 1 ampere. That is when current is equal to 1 ampere. Okay. So now next is there will be some micro or milliampere currents will be there. So milli, that means 10 raised to the minus 3, or micro, that means 10 raised to the minus 6. Okay. And if there will be a charges over there, so it becomes millicoulomb or microcoulomb. Okay. So device used is, that is ammeter. Okay. So that device that is used to measure a current, that is the ammeter. Okay. So now there will be a question. As you know, there will be a formula, that is I is equal to q over t. So if you will solve charge, okay, if you will solve the charge, so how will you solve? So q is equal to it. So here in this numerical, a current of 0.5 ampere. So current is given, so I is 0.5 ampere. Okay, so your current is 0.5, that is your current. Okay, so now there will be a time is also given. Time is 10 minutes. If you will convert 10 minutes into a seconds, you will multiply with 60 seconds. Okay, so your time will become 600 seconds. So now your time is equal to 600 seconds. So time is given. So whenever you multiply with 0.5 into 600, you will get 300, and that is your coulomb. Why it is in coulomb? Because charge, and you know the SI unit of the charge is in coulomb. Okay. So बच्चे क्या था, I is equal to q over t. As you know, q की आपने वैल्यू निकाल लिया, that is this value, that is q is equal to it. I आपके पास given है, that is 10. T आपके पास given है, that is 600, that is 10 minutes. That is 10 into 60, that is equal to 600 seconds. Okay. So that means now, so this is the charge, that is q is equal to 300. Now, so the question is, first question is, what does an electric circuit mean? Basically electric circuit क्या है बच्चे? Electric circuit है जिसमें आपका बैटरी हो, ठीक है, सेल हो, स्विच हो, ठीक है, एंड वायर के साथ सब कुछ कनेक्ट हो, अदर इलेक्ट्रिक appliances will be there. Okay, so basically electric circuit क्या होता है, जिसमें आपका बैटरी हो, ठीक है, उसमें आपका स्विच लगा हो, अदर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स और अलग इलेक्ट्रिकल जो कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं वो आपके बीच में हो, और सभी किसके साथ कनेक्टेड हो, वायर के साथ. ओके, so if we'll make a diagram over there or electric circuit, it is like that कि अगर यहाँ कुछ भी आपका वोल्टेज है, let us suppose, और एम्पियर करंट है, it is always in series. Okay, so it is, this is your that is voltage or battery, this is your switch. हम फर्दर हम पढ़ेंगे इसके कंपोनेंट्स कैसे हम करेंगे, ठीक है. सो दैट इज द इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट, जिसमें बैटरी हो, स्विच हो, अदर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स हो. ये हम फर्दर हम पढ़ेंगे, इसको डिस्कस करेंगे आगे, ठीक है. सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द डिफाइन द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ द करंट. सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ द करंट, दैट इज एम्पियर. ए एंड हाउ वी यू डिफाइन, कैसे हमने डिफाइन किया था, मुझे देखना. विल डिफाइन करंट इज ऑफ 1 एम्पियर व्हेन चार्ज इज ऑफ 1 कूलम एंड टाइम इज ऑफ 1 सेकंड. जब भी चार्ज 1 कूलम का 1 सेकंड के टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग चले, तो तब हम क्या कहेंगे, उसको करंट को हम 1 एम्पियर कहेंगे. ओके, सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूटिंग 1 कूलम ऑफ चार्ज. नाउ विल solve this numerical. Okay, so let's see. So here in this question, the charge is given, so Q is given, that is 1 coulomb. Okay, you will find N, that is the number of electrons. Okay, so how will you find? And as you know, what is the value of electron? Further, you know about the values of electrons. Electron की value क्या होती थी? This is the value of electrons. So क्या थी electron की value? That is minus 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. So E is equal to minus 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. Okay, so if you will ignoring the negative sign. Okay, so what is according to quantization of charge? According to quantization of charge, Q is equal to NE. Okay, so is up to your choice. You will place Q capital or small. Okay, so Q is equal to NE. Okay, plus minus NE. So if you will ignoring the negative sign or positive sign, while you will just making the magnitude over there. So Q is equal to, what is the value of Q? And then now you find the value of N. So N is equal to Q over E. Okay, so your N is equal to Q over E. What is the value of Q? That is 1. What is the value of electron? That is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Okay, so 1 over 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 goes to numerator, it becomes plus 19. So whenever you will divide, अगर आप 1 को 1.6 के साथ divide करोगे, you will get 0.625 into 10 to the power 90. Or whenever you will place the point before, so 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. So these are the number of electrons. So therefore the number of electrons are, कितने electrons होंगे? So the number of electrons are 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. So that is the number of electrons over there. Okay, students. So this is the today's class. So now I'll wind up this class. So firstly we'll discuss about the electricity. हमने electricity में क्या पढ़ा है basically, कि क्या electricity होती है, basically उसका name क्या है, what is the electricity, what is the meaning of the electricity, how the term electricity will be introduced, why there will be a proticity or neutricity. Okay, and how flow of currents, that is flow of electrons, flow of charges will be there. Charge क्या होता है, charge atom से कैसे बना है, fundamental particle कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं उसके. Okay, after that the second में हमने basically किया कि charge के basically types क्या है, ठीक है, positive negative क्या है, उसकी properties क्या है. There will be a property that like and unlike charges repel each other, unlike charges attract each other. Okay, that will be your intrinsic property. Okay, so after that we'll see that current, what is current over there, that is the rate of flow of charges. There SI units of the charge as well as the current. So define अगर करना हो one current को, अगर ठीक है, तो करंट 1 एम्पीयर कब होगा, जब चार्ज 1 कूलम का होगा, टाइम 1 सेकंड्स का होगा. देयर विल बी सम अदर ऐसा यूनिट्स ऑफ द चार्ज एज वेल एज करंट. ओके, डिवाइस कौन सी यूज होती है करंट को मेजर करने के लिए, एमीटर, एंड इट इज ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड इन द सीरीज. ओके, हाउ विल यू लर्न द वैल्यू, दैट इज द वैल्यूज ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ये बेसिकली इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और प्रोटॉन की वैल्यूज है, दोनों सेम होती है, जस्ट क्या होता है उसमें पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव में जस्ट उसका साइन का डिफरेंस होगा. दैट इज चार्ज डिफरेंट नेचर के होंगे, पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज क्वांटाइजेशन, दैट इज द इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल, जिसकी फुल फ्लैच वैल्यू आए. अगर मैं 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन का हूं, तो वो चीज क्वांटाइज्ड होगी, लेकिन अगर मैं पॉइंट्स में बात करूं, फ्रैक्शंस में बात करूं, वो चीज क्वांटाइज्ड नहीं होगी। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज how will you solve that numerical? The numerical is charge is given, that is 1 coulomb. Now you will find the number of electrons. Electron is there. So what is, you know, the values of electron, that is 1 minus 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19. Okay, so either you will take negative sign or you will also ignore that negative sign. Okay, so this is the n, that is the 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons are constituted for completing the 1 coulomb of charge. Okay, students. So this is the today's class. Okay, so now we'll further start with the electric potential over there. Okay, so that is in the next class. Okay, students, thank you so much. Hope you like the class. Thank you, students.